Manage Meilisearch from the FlyEnv desktop app. Choose Meilisearch from the Search Engine section. The Version tab lists the available Meilisearch releases. Each release shows its version and an install action. Select a release to download and install it locally. FlyEnv shows download progress directly in the release list. When the download completes, the installed release is ready to use. Add another release from the same version list. The Service tab lists installed versions and their local paths. Configuration opens the Meilisearch settings in FlyEnv's built-in editor. The Log tab displays the service output. The mini dashboard opens the local Meilisearch interface in the browser. Back in FlyEnv, installed versions, environment, and service controls stay together. Start the selected version and confirm its running state. The final view keeps the Meilisearch service controls within reach.